Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at the shortcut G, which stands for Global Tracks, so it's the Global Tracks shortcut. So let's just go ahead and just straight away, let's press G on our typing keyboard, and that brings up Global Tracks. Now Global Tracks is a bit of a gateway to multiple functions, as you can probably guess just from first look. We've got multiple things here. And actually, if you click two-finger click or right-click in the grey space there, you can configure additional things that you may or may not want. So if you're working to film, this is where you can add in your movie file by clicking that, and then you can come up to File, add in a movie that way. Or you can configure them here by clicking that configure button there. Just click out into any old space to get rid of that. Now, one of the ones that I use, or one of the functions I use in Global Tracks quite often, is this marker function. And you can click this little plus here, and effectively what it does is it creates a text box for you. And you can double click on this, get rid of the preset text, and add in your own. So leave 5 seconds at start. And you can actually color these text boxes using the Alt-C function as well, which is kind of cool. And same to get rid of that. Now, when I press G again, that marker is still there at the top. And that's one of the reasons I use it, because it's an immediate thing. As soon as I open the project, I can see, oh yeah, that's the thing I wanted I wanted to do last time that I forgot about, but thankfully I left myself a little reminder. But another really useful function there is that if you send your work maybe to a mix engineer or to another producer, they can see perhaps something that you want immediately, go, oh, okay, great, leave 5 seconds, and they drag it across to, bar 2 or whatever it might be. So quite a helpful thing there, it's especially in terms of collaborating or reminding yourself. Next one down, signature, time signatures. You can add in new time signatures. So, and again, film is a good example here. If you have a transition in a film, or whatever it might be, you can actually add in a new time signature as you need to, or perhaps you're doing some transitions or something. And all you need to do is drag your playhead along to wherever it is that you want to add in a new time signature, click the plus, and click OK there. And yeah, really helpful. And if you actually just keep your eye up here on the transport, you can check that this works, because you can see that it's automatically changing those for you as needed. So quite a helpful thing. Again, also if you're creating scores, it's a helpful thing. Similarly, just below, still in the signature function here in Global Tracks, you can actually change the time signature, the key signature. And this track is actually in E flat, so let's go ahead and change that to E flat. Cool, right, now the one below it, tempo, I actually use this quite a lot, and again, this is a film thing that I tend to use it for. You can change the tempo, very much like the automation nodes. Tempo works in the same way here in Global Tracks. So if you click on this timeline, quite literally, you can then click on the little node, drag that up to your desired tempo, as you need. There's also a tempo curve tool, which you can drag along as you need as well, which is really cool. So if you wanted to create some, obscene tempo change, you can do that here. You can actually do the tempo changes over in the list editor, coming across the tempo here. Same for signature and marker and event. But there's something about doing it up here in Global Tracks at the top that I think is just a little bit more intuitive. It's a bit more visual and kind of nicer to work with. So yeah, there you go. That's a whistle-stop tour of Global Tracks, but hopefully a helpful one. A lot of these things, shortcuts, the kind of nature of shortcuts are they help speed up your workflow. But I think Global Tracks is a really helpful one to know. Because of the usefulness of all of these things to really any kind of music or any kind of sound. So there we go. Let's listen to this crazy time and tempo change. Okay, there we go. Yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully that will notify you. Any comments, drop me a message in one of the feeds. And as always, thanks for watching.